So we want to get a node value from a certain position in a linked list. So if you have like a link like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you want the position from the 0th tail, so you just do 1 over from the tail, which would be 6. And if you want 3 over or 2, it'd be 1, 2, 3. So that'll be 3. And the function takes the head of the linked list and the position that you want to find it from the tail. My first thought was, as you go through this, you iterate through each node, and then you just call next the position number of times. So if it's the 0, 1, you want to call it 1 time. So if it's 0 and you call next once, and if this equals null, which is the tail, if it equals the tail, then you just return this 1 data, right? But if it was this case, if it's 2, you want next 3 times, so it'd be 1, 2, 3. 6 is not null, so then what you would do is you move on to 3 and you call the same thing. So it's a recursive method. So you call next 3 times 1, 2, 3, and that's null. So then you would return 3. And I think that works in theory, but I didn't get working. But then I saw another cooler. It kind of go along the same way strategy that you could have a long linked list, and then you just always you keep calling next a lot, and this is a lot of operations. But a little bit more is what you do is you just create like kind of candidates of if it could be a 1, and yeah, so it's like so this guy, it's like while head. So once you're going to iterate through all of them once, and if the length is greater than the position, and you keep on iterating this counter, then you create the trailing node to that. So I don't know quite how that works. This is stupid. I should know how it works. And why am I not doing this? But I should just figure out my code. But it's kind of dumb though that you can't get the standard input. It's kind of dumb on the site, but whatever. So essentially, it's just like if this was 2, position 2 says this would be 2 and start at 0. The first iteration wouldn't work, so you disregard the trailing one. So then you go up to 1 and disregard that. So we get the 5. So that's the third one. 1, 2, 3. And then you get the trailing one is 3. But then you would go to here, because you're iterating through all of them. No, you would subtract one because the indices are off. So yeah, so that works. Anyways, so I do that.